Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel guys. This is Erica Love Simple Cooking TV guys. Pray that you all are doing well. So guys, today, and I must say, before I go further, I must say thank you to all my subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Please continue to watch my videos, comment on them, and if you don't want to share, that's okay, but comment on them so YouTube know that you like my videos. Guys, I do faceless videos guys, faceless video. Every now and then I might put my face in my video, but most of the time I do faceless video. So guys, today I'm going to make some fried beans. I have my white rice in my rice cooker cooking. I'm making some white rice with fried beans, and I'm making some broccoli and some other beans and some carrots. So guys, watch the process guys and see what I'm doing today. So my beans is already washed and I cook it in the pressure cooker just the time. And so guys, I'm just gonna start right here. I'm gonna add some annatto oil. Guys, I love this oil. It gives your food a nice color. So I'm gonna use that to fry up my beans. I'm gonna put a little bit more oil in the pot, guys. Woo! Mercy, guys. That's more than a little bit. But guys, I'm sorry, I'm not gonna take over that oil. So guys, I'm gonna fry up some stuff. I'm gonna fry up my fresh seasoning. All cut up already. I cut up everything ahead of time because I don't want this video to be too long. I don't know, my son say I'm making the video them too long. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fry up my seasoning that I'm gonna use to fry the beans, and I'm gonna cook up some coconut milk in it. I'm gonna put some coconut milk powder, not milk, coconut powder in it. So guys, this is fried beans, so I'm making some fried beans with rice. Guys, I'm talking, I thought I have the stove on, but as no stove is on. So guys, I'm gonna show you what I'm cooking in my rice cooker. But yes guys, this is my white rice I'm cooking, and as usual we cook too much rice, so that this is, I'm cooking for 2 days, but guys, I think this rice is definitely too much rice. This is a lot of rice, but it's for 2 days, and if it's 2 days we'll use the rest for another day. So that's my parboiled rice. I season it to put powder season and stuff to make it taste good. So let's go back over to the beans guys. Yes guys, so I'm hotting up the oil to fry up my beans. In this pan right here guys, I'm putting some beans, my spring bean and stuff. So I season up my spring bean guys with some powder seasoning. So I'm gonna steam the beans. Oh boy, because I don't want to, I'm putting broccoli too guys, because I don't want the broccoli to be hot yet. It's hard to make the harder stuff to cook first. So I'm putting in my carrots, my snow beans, and my spring beans. So I'm gonna let these steam first, and then I'm gonna add the carrots last, because the carrot cooking is not the carrot, the broccoli cooking less than onions. So I'm putting the broccoli last. So I'm gonna let this steam first. Guys, my channel is about cooking simple stuff, you know. Those were the days when I used to cook a lot of stuff. These days I'm just cooking simple stuff guys. So right over there you see my carrot is cooking. So let me cover this while it's steaming down. And right now I'm gonna put my fresh seasoning. So this is my fresh seasoning, which is garlic, onion, sweet pepper, and thyme. And tomato guys. So I'm gonna fry up this. I'm gonna fry this up guys. My beans is already cooked. So this is, I'm making fried beans, pinto beans. Let me turn on the stove. I'm gonna add some coconut powder. That's a pack of coconut powder right here, guys. So I'm using Grace coconut powder. I'm gonna add some cock soup mix. Guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe, and share. So that's some cock soup mix right here. So I'm gonna season this up, guys, and then I'm gonna put the peas in it, let it cook down. Cock soup mix. I'm gonna turn this down. I'm gonna add some homemade ginger powder. Woo, that's a lot. But more ginger make your food taste better, guys. So I'm gonna add some powder season that I get from Jamaica. Guys, I'm low sodium, but my family are gonna kill me because my food is not getting as much season as before. So this is this season salt free. This one have salt from Jamaica, so mixed season. I'm gonna put a little bit of Lari season. I love Lari season, guys. That's a little bit right there. I'm gonna add some onion powder. Guys, you want this bean to taste good. So put the onion powder. And I'm gonna stir this. So guys, then I'm gonna just pour the beans and let the beans stay here and cook down in this. I'm gonna add some for a little tangy, nice, sweety taste. I'm gonna add some barbecue sauce. Guys, do you wash out your barbecue sauce when you cook? I wash out my barbecue sauce, guys. I wash out my ketchup bottle. I wash out everything. I don't waste nothing. I put a little bit of ketchup, guys, because I want it to come out nice and thick. Yes, guys, look at that. So this is gonna come out nice and thick. I'm gonna put a little pepper, homemade pepper sauce. Hold on, guys, my grandson balling. Hold on. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna put some hot sauce, homemade hot sauce. Mix this up, and so I'm gonna pour the beans in, so the coconut milk and all of that can cook. Some more. Put a little bit more of the salt-free seasoning. A little more of the Jamaican one, because this, I want this to taste good. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna pour out the beans. This is my pinto beans. I'm making for 2 days, so yes, guys, I know that's a lot of beans. And I'm gonna cover this and let it cook down. This is like a stew piece, like, but not really a stew piece. A stew piece just put dumpling and stuff. I don't want no dumpling. I just want it to cook down just so. And then we're gonna put this over the rice. Okay, guys, I think it need a little more seasoned salt. I'm gonna put a little bit more seasoned salt. At the same time, you have to watch the seasoned salt, you know, guys, because when it boils down, all that salt boils down in the food. Put a little bit more pepper. And so, guys, I'm gonna cover this up and let it finish cook down. Alright, guys. Look good, right, guys? guys, it tastes good. So I'm gonna cover this and let it cook down for a minute. Alright guys, I'll see you back guys. Okay guys, so there's my steamed vegetable all done. So I'm gonna leave it open so the broccoli do not overcook. Carrot is cooked, string bean is cooked, snow peas is cooked, so I'm just gonna leave it open. Alright guys, check your back guys. Yes guys, so I'm gonna fry up my vegetable. A little tip of oil. I don't have butter because I don't really use butter. I rarely use butter because that's too much excess in fat. So guys, I'm gonna fry up my string bean and stuff. The pot being hot. Alright guys, while I'm waiting on that pot to get hot, let's check on the beans. Because guys, I don't want it to burn. So guys, see the nice color? Very nice color guys. Because of the annatto oil, give it that nice color guys. Nice color. So I'm gonna let this cook down. Because I want to make sure the coconut powder is cooked guys. So I'm gonna put this on low and let it cook down. Right on a little bit. Guys, I hope I don't forget to come back, you know guys, because sometimes I completely forget that I'm cooking. I'll leave the stove and come back and my pot burning up. Not that I can cook, that I can't cook, but sometimes I forget. So I'm gonna cover this and let it cook down. Dry out some of the water. And over here guys, I'm gonna fry up my string bean. So guys, what I'm using to fry up the string bean, just some sweet pepper and some onion. I put the same powder seasoning that I put in here, I put on the string bean already. So I don't need to have no extra powder seasoning. Maybe I just had a little bit of onion powder. And the unsalted seasoning, I'm gonna use some of that. Yes guys, I'm using low sodium. Some sauteing these, and then I'm gonna add the string bean. So guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe and share. I'm gonna put a little bit of homemade ginger powder, and we're already full of the beans with that already. I put too much ginger in the beans, but you never have too much of the ginger. Make everything nice. So guys, let's stir up this now. I don't want the sweet pepper to cook too much. So let's add these guys. So I'm gonna stir everything together. Together guys. So everything already pre-cooked, so I'm just gonna stir and cover so they can take and taste of the season. So right there guys, let me bring my camera up so you can see. Yes guys, so right there. So the broccoli, you can see that the broccoli is cooked, and the snow peas, for those of you who probably wonder what snow peas look like, this is snow peas. That's a nice color, right guys? Contrast is very nice color. Nice color guys. Come down close so you can see. That's very nice, alright? So I'll see you back guys when I check on the beans. Okay guys, let's check on the beans. That's it guys, meatless guys. Everything is meatless tonight. We had too much meat this week, so today is the day for meatless. No meat. Look at that guys. Nice and look good, right guys? You could have just poured this over some rice. You could eat this with whatever you want. Rice, pasta, whatever. And even if you want to eat it just like this, like a soup. Right guys? So guys, I'm gonna turn it down because I don't want to forget that it's on the stove and burn it up. Okay guys, let's check on the rice. I have to turn the rice cooker cover. Woo. So what I'm telling you guys, this is a lot of rice. Oh my. No matter how I try to cook a small portion of rice, you know guys, I always end up with a lot of rice. Right now my freezer have 2 different rice in it. So the good thing about it is that you can put your extra rice in the freezer and let it freeze, and when you're ready to cook, you just defrost it and cook it, or you just put it in your oven or put it on the stove to take its time and defrost and warm up. So that's my white rice right there. Okay guys, so there goes the vegetable. Nice guys, a nice color. So you can see there's sweet pepper, the red and yellow pepper, and my broccoli. So I definitely this time gonna leave the pot open so that I can get rid of the steam and don't overcook the broccoli. Alright guys, check your back guys when I'm checking the beans. Okay guys, let's check on this one more time. Or maybe more than one more time. Alright. And store this because guys I don't want this thing to burn. So guys, you see that a lot of the juice in it is boiled down. So you can see the beans at the top. I don't want the beans to overcook because the pressure cooker already cooked it, you know guys. Guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe and share guys. So this is beans guys. So I have I cook this down in some coconut powder with thyme, scallion, no scallion, thyme, sweet pepper, tomato and onion, and all the powder season that I just showed in the video guys. So this tonight is a no meat night. Eat meat all week, I eat chicken, I eat fish. So body no want no meat me no want. I hope the family feel the same way. So this is what we call, some people I would say fried beans, and it's not fried beans, it's like stew peas but no dumpling, because most people when they do stew peas they put spinach dumpling in it. I did not want any dumpling either because this week we had quite a few dumpling and we're trying to cut back on carbs. So this is a good way, even though we have the rice, but you need something to eat this, and the rice is what we're using for the carb. Guys, this tastes so good. So guys, if you try this guys, and let me know how it come out. To make the gravy, I use some barbecue sauce and a little bit of ketchup, and the nice bright color is from annatto oil that I infuse. Guys, you can get annatto in this supermarket and you can infuse it and make your own annatto oil. So there you go guys, my stew, my bean stew. Oh yes, bean stew. Hey, this is what bean stew guys. Yes, not stew peas but bean stew. Oh guys please comment, subscribe and share. And guys, I'll come back when I'm gonna put some in some bowl. I eat out a bowl these days because I'm cutting back also on the amount of food I eat, so I just use a bowl to eat. So guys, when you see me the next time, I'm gonna put some food in the bowl and make you see what it looks like. Okay guys, so this is my rice. I'm not really hungry guys. I'm just and I'm not eating a lot like before. I'm getting younger, so I'm eating less. And there you go. Just a little bit more. So guys, there you go. Rice and stew. Rice and stew bean or rice and beans. Yeah, rice and beans and vegetable, guys. Not to make the thing complicated. Rice and beans with vegetable. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, guys. Because please comment, subscribe and share, and big up yourself every time. Take care of yourself. To all my subscribers, my future subscribers, thank you so much. I appreciate you, and take care of yourself and walk in the presence of God. And remember that Jesus loves you. Alright, and I do too. Take care of yourself, guys. Until next time.